If you check Twitter this weekend, you know that Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram app, got arrested in Paris, and as of now he's still held by the French authorities. However, apparently he's expected to be released at 28th of August. And that's information by Kyle Chasey. I don't know if it's legit or not, we will see. And obviously this event was very big for anyone who is into crypto, because Telegram is the #1 social media app that everybody who is into crypto uses. And obviously it's one of the very few apps that are actually private messaging apps and allow you complete freedom of speech. And because of this, Pavel Durov is a huge target for any government in the world. Russia wants him, America wants him, and obviously European Union wants him too. Obviously it doesn't matter what charges they put on him, it's all pretty much bullshit. However, the most important thing is that everyone is standing behind Pavel Durov, especially on Twitter, because Twitter knows that they may be next. Because Twitter, when it was bought by Elon Musk, finally got to be a platform where freedom of speech is freely available, which isn't that obvious in the times when we are living right now. And obviously this event is very sad, however it's a great opportunity for anyone who is into investing. For example, Ton blockchain is going to blow up very, very soon, because obviously when there are big events like that, people are creating memes. And one of these memes that was created is Free Pavel. It went from absolute zero when it was launched on Gas Pump, which I made multiple videos about previously, you can check it out. So everyone had a fair chance to buy this token, and at the peak it was about $1.5 million. So if you got in at $5,000 market cap, you can calculate how many X's you could make on it. And obviously this whole event with Durov incarceration isn't something to make fun of. However, obviously people are doing this for the money, as always. And we have some very interesting things happening overall on Ton blockchain, because if you noticed recent trend in crypto, every blockchain is focusing on memes, and for example Ton blockchain finally realized that too and they changed their profile picture of their official Twitter account to Redo, which is resistant dog, and this meme coin basically skyrocketed in one day. It went from 26 million to 95 million market cap, which made a 4x. On a coin like that, it's a very great return. And obviously there are a ton of people who decided to change their profile picture to Resistance Dog to show support for Pavel Durov. And what this means for the chain? It means a lot, because more people are actually bridging over and creating their wallets on Ton blockchain, and you can see it on tonstat.com, active daily wallets. Yesterday, the 25th of August, on the Sunday, almost 600,000 active wallets in a day. And if you see the statistics for the last couple of months, it's one of the biggest days that we had on Ton blockchain. And obviously if you scroll to the transactions per day, it also skyrocketed. And if we take a look at the on-chain wallet activations per day, huge spike. And it's one of the big spikes that happened in the last few months. So obviously people will eventually bridge to Ton blockchain, and it's very good for every project that is already established on Ton, because Dogs, the token that was airdropped, is tradable since today, and a lot of people are going to sell their airdrop, and obviously the money will have to go somewhere. And there are two tokens that I constantly talk about and I'm very, very bullish on, and this is TCAT and TSE. As you can see, on a huge discount, in my personal opinion, we will not see these prices for long, because on the 4th of September, in just about a week, we are going to launch another season of the Open League. An Open League is essentially a competition for projects on Ton blockchain, and it has many different categories. One of them is memes and the other is utility. And TCAT team has both. We have one of the most active communities on Ton blockchain. This growth is fully organic. This coin launched from gas pump, completely fair launch, which wasn't sniped by VC. It was community takeover, and at the peak it was at the $33 million market cap. And there have utilities which are going to provide buyback and burn, because bots on every chain are generating giant amounts of revenue. And once they launch their trading bot, it's basically a game over. And both of the tokens, TCAT and TSE will benefit, because 100% of the profits will be used for buyback and burn. 70% will go to TCAT and 30% will go to TSE. And you can see on my channel that the creator of TSE and leader of the city on TCAT, which is Tyrell, aka the Crypto King, burned on live stream $1.5 million in TCAT, so you can take a look at that too. Once the next season of the Open League starts, TCAT is going to win at least one of the categories on the Open League. It's definitely going to rise in price, because one of the main things about winning the Open League is that the token is going to get extra liquidity, and it will be basically promoted by official open network channels. So all eyes will be focused on TCAT by then. Not a financial advice. I would take a look into TCAT and TSE because they are on very nice discounts right now. And just to recap, we don't know when Pavel Durov is going to get released. All we know is that this event, however unfortunate, is very beneficial to Ton blockchain. I hope you found this video valuable. Leave a like and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video. Peace.